Volcanoes. It is a. Have you ever seen a volcano? It is a mountain that is as hot as boiling pot. Inside a volcano, there is a pool of molten rock. This is called magma. We often describe a volcano as a hole in the earth. Word volcano comes from the word Vulcan. Vulcan is the god of fire in Roman mythology. Once the magma has erupted from the volcano, we call it by a different name, lava. Lava's temperature can range from 7,000 C to 1,200 C.
1200도.
There are three types of volcano. They are active, dormant, and extinct. There are about 1,510 active volcanoes in the world. 80 are known to be underwater. The earth that we live in is made of 3 layers. The first is the crust, and it is the layer on which we live. The mantle is the second layer, and it is about 1,800 miles thick. The core is the third and the last layer. When two plates from the crust collide, they are peeled up the shaped into a mountain-shaped landform. During this process, magma is produced underneath the